Hello, welcome to the Dennis Bloodnock channel. Welcome to the first in a series of videos which are about the subjects of light and sound. Now, light and sound are two very important subjects if you are a YouTuber, a vlogger, or any kind of video content creator. So stay tuned, I think you will find this content to be quite interesting. Now, as some of you may already know, the studio part of the Dennis Bloodnock channel, which is basically where I am now, I use the following Metz Mechalite lights to actually light this studio. This is the, reading from the box itself, the Metz Mechalite LED 480, of which I have 4 which are currently lighting me at the moment, and this is the 5th one that I have, just to show that for what is a relatively small and inexpensive light, this is quite powerful and produces quite a considerable amount of light. Something that a number of you also may know of is that there is an international standard of luminance which is called lux, and the bigger the number that is assigned to a light, the bigger lux number, the more light that it basically produces. Now, the Metz Mechalite 480, the actual name of the model is the amount of light that it actually produces. The Metz Mechalite 480 actually produces 480 lux. Now, the Dennis Bloodnock channel is not sponsored or backed or in any way supported financially or in any other way by any retailer, manufacturer or supplier. All of the equipment in all Dennis Bloodnock videos has been purchased by myself, Dennis Bloodnock. It is owned by myself, Dennis Bloodnock. Now, in the months since the last video, I have been investigating lighting equipment. Some of you may know that I am also, as well as a vlogger and a YouTube content creator, I am also a photographer. And I have been looking into the subject of lighting, and I have purchased a number of new lights. Now, the first of the new lights that I have purchased for both my photography and video lighting are these. The, reading from the box again, Vibesta Verata 160 lights. Now, this is one of them. I've purchased 4 of these lights. Now, as you can see, they are very powerful. This particular model of light, the Verata 160, produces at its maximum, because there is a control on the back to turn the light, to turn the power up and down, at its maximum 1560 lux. Now, this is considerably greater than the 480 lux that these Metz Mechalite 480 lights produce. Now, in part 2 of this video, I'm going to go into greater detail about each of the lights, and also I'm going to speak about some of the other lights that have joined the Dennis Bloodnock fold, and furthermore I'm going to do a comparison, a test of all of the different lights that are currently used on the Dennis Bloodnock channel. So please stay tuned.